If you have an online tool, then you are probably having money making machine. Let me show you why. Let's just come over to Google right here. Have a look at this. Let me search income and expenditure calculator right here on Google. So when I search income and expenditure calculator, let's have a look at the search results that appears. All these pages over here are ranking for the keyword that I place over here, income and expenditure calculator, and then all of them you are seeing over here are making a lot of money right here online. Let me just open one of these tools and then I'm going to show you the statistics. So let me open this one over here, free budget calculator. It's just a calculator. So let's open this online tool website. So this is the website right here. You can see budget calculator. It's just a calculator that you'll be putting in your numbers over here and then it's gonna display the result for you. Now let's go to SimilarWeb and let me show you the monthly visits of this website. You can see over 9.5 million people visit this website every month, and all these monthly visits are going to convert to become an ad revenue for this particular website owner. So this particular website owner is making a lot of money right here online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online tool website with WordPress. So in case today is the first time you are watching my channel, my name is Francis, and what I do over here is I did digital marketing, blogging, and also how to make money online. So if any of this is your interest, make sure you hit that like button for me and the subscribe button at the same time, and also stay with me right here to the end of this video because I'm going to use free tools only to show you how you can create your online tool right here. So now let's get started. For us to create our website, we need domain and hosting. So let's go to Namecheap and buy our domain and hosting. I have a link in description for you, and when you click on that link in the description, it's gonna take you to Namecheap website over here. You can use my link because it's an affiliate link, and I also get some commission when you buy your domain and hosting from Namecheap. I like using Namecheap very much because their customer service is tight, their security is very good, everything is very nice, speed of your website is very good. So hit a link in description for me and come over here to Namecheap. Now when you come to Namecheap here, all you have to do is to go to hosting, and then you're gonna come over here to share hosting. I'm showing you how you can buy your domain and hosting right here on Namecheap. So over here you can see share hosting, and then you're gonna select Stellar. This is Stellar right here. Is a very good plan over here for you. You can host about 3 websites over here, 20 gig SSD, a lot. So let's just click here, get started. And then this is how it's gonna display. All you have to do is to come here to where it's saying new domain name, and then enter any domain name that you want over here. So you're gonna enter any domain name. For example, yourname.com is a domain name, facebook.com is a domain name, johnmensa.com is a domain name. So just enter any domain name that you want to enter right here and add to cart and pay for it. So after you buy your domain and hosting right here, let's come to the dashboard here. Let me show you how you are going to launch your WordPress website right here in Namecheap. So this is my domain right here. This is the domain that I want to launch the WordPress website, right? So you can see it's having SSL over here. The SSL is free in Namecheap. So let's come to the C panel. The C panel is our hosting. So this is our Stellar, the hosting right here. So let me go to your C panel. Let's click on that place. So this is gonna redirect you to the C panel, and then we are going to launch our WordPress website right here. So to launch our WordPress website, we have to come to the place that is saying Stoftankulos app installer. Just click on it, and then it will open this dashboard for you, and you will see WordPress over here. So click on install, and then right here it's gonna open this interface for you. All you have to do is to come over here and select the domain that you want to launch the WordPress. Over here I have a lot of domains on Namecheap, so it's showing my first domain over here, but this is not the domain that I want. I want to launch the WordPress on this particular domain. So I will click this one, genblog.syz, and then leave this like this. This is the latest WordPress version, and then you're gonna come down right here, and then you can give any name that you want to give to your website, or you can leave it like this. It's not necessary. When we go to WordPress, we are going to set that over there. And then what is needed over here also is your admin username and your password, because this is what you are going to use to log into your WordPress website. So my admin username, I'm going to put something over there that is my new tool. So let me put this here, my new tool. And then we're gonna set a strong password over here. You can set a strong password like the one you are seeing right here, and then all you have to do is to make sure that you have the password down, because that is what you are going to use to log in, right? So set your password very strong like this, and just leave this like this, and then come down here. You can remove this. We don't want to install any plugin, and then you come down to where it's saying that install, and then you're gonna click on install. So WordPress is going to install right here on our Namecheap hosting, and then we are going to use WordPress to launch our online tool right here. So congratulations, the software has installed successfully. So right now our WordPress website is ready. So let's go and log into our WordPress website. Now let's move to the next step of this tutorial, that is to log into our WordPress website. Now to log into your WordPress website, type your URL /wp-admin, and it's gonna take you to this page as you are seeing here. Make sure you put in your username that you used to launch your WordPress, and then over here you're gonna put your password right here, and then click login. So congratulations, you are on your WordPress dashboard right here, and I'm going to show you how you are going to design this website by putting in your online tool and everything right here. Now before then, let me show you some few features over here. This is your WordPress dashboard, and whenever you click here home, you're gonna come back to the home page, that is the dashboard here, and then you're gonna see your updates here. Your post is gonna display over here. This place is for media, that is where you will be putting in your pictures, your video, everything. And this is pages, this is where you will be putting in your pages, or you'll be launching your pages. This is comments, and then this is appearance, where we are going to install our theme. This is where plugins are going to be installed, that is plugins. Users, this is where we are going to put in our user profile. These are some tools that are in WordPress for us. And then settings is over here, and collapse menu is over here. When we click on it, the whole menu is going to collapse, and when we click on it back, the menu is gonna come back. Now over here, let's make sure that we clear all this in on our WordPress dashboard here. So we're gonna come to the top here, that is in screen option, and then make sure you uncheck all this, and then it's gonna remove from your dashboard. So everything is gone now. Now let's move our mouse on settings here, and then we go to permalinks. So click on it, and then make sure the permalink is placed at post name. So click on that, and then come over here and save changes. So the next thing we got to do is to install some plugins. Now for us to install the plugins, let's first check the plugins that come with the WordPress. So let's go to plugins, and then we're gonna click install plugins. So this is gonna display all the plugins that we are having on our WordPress dashboard, and then let's make sure that we delete all these plugins. We don't need them right now. So let's come over here and click here, and then you go to bulk action, and then you're gonna click delete, and then you click apply. Everything is going to delete, so click OK here. So all the plugins are being deleted. Now as the plugins are being deleted, we are going to install a new plugin. So come over here and click add new, and then the first plugin that we want to install over here is already on the dashboard here for us, that is the classic editor. But in case you don't see it, what you need to do is to come over here, and then you're gonna search classic editor over here. So in this case it's already showing here, so you just click install now, and then let's activate this plugin. This is a plugin that we are going to use to write, that is to do every editing on our WordPress right here. The next plugin that we are going to add is Elementor. So click add new again, and then we are going to search Elementor right here. So just type in Elementor over there, and then this is it over here, Elementor website builder. This is a website builder that helps us to drag and drop. So just click here, install now, and then the next thing you have to do is to activate the plugin. So now our Elementor is being installed, and let's go ahead and add one plugin again. That's the last plugin we are going to install over here. So let's click add new, and then the name of the plugin is Element Kit Elementor add-on. So let's write it over here, Element Kit. So let me just put Element Kit over here, and let's see if the plugin will come. So this is the particular plugin I'm talking about, Element Kit Elementor add-ons. So install it, and then make sure you activate it. So right now our plugins are set, and let's go to the next part of this tutorial, that is we are going to start creating our page. Now for us to create our page, first let's look at how our website is looking. So I'm going to open our website in a new tab over here, and let's have a look at our website. So this is our website here. You can see there is nothing on our website. This is the website right here. So what we need to do now is to install a theme. So the theme adds look and feel to our website. So let's go and do that. So to install our theme, let's hover our mouse on appearance, then we click on themes, and then right here you can see the first theme over here, which is 2023 theme. This is the theme that is being installed right now on our website. So let's add a new theme, that is let's install a new theme. So we'll come over here, add new, and then the theme that we are going to install is called Astra. This is a theme over here, Astra. In case you don't see it over here, make sure you come to the search here and then put Astra here. You're gonna see it. So let's just click here to install our theme right now. So install, and then let's activate Astra. So right now our Astra is being installed and activated. So we are not going to use any starter template. You just leave this. Let's go back and see how our website is still looking. So over here, this is the way our website is looking. Now let's refresh it and see how it's looking now. So right now you can see our website is having a form. Now the top of the website over here is called a header, and then the middle here is called a body, and the down here is called a footer. So right now let's go ahead and launch our first online tool right now. Now to launch our first online tool, we are going to use ChatGPT to give us the code. So you don't need to learn any coding anywhere. So let's go into our browser, and then let's go to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, we just type chat.openai.com. and then it's gonna take us to ChatGPT. So in case you don't have ChatGPT account, make sure you go to chat.openai.com, and then all you got to do is to make sure you log in with your Google address, and then it's gonna take you right here as I am here. So just click here, okay, let's go. So right here I'm going to put a prompt into ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a code for me to launch my online tool, that is income and expenditure calculator. That is the online tool I want to launch. You can also launch different online tools. Watch this video to the end, and at the end I'm going to show you different online tools that you can still launch. So right now let me put a prompt right here. So I'll be leaving this prompt in description. All you have to do is to change some parts of the prompt, and you're gonna arrive at the same result. This is the prompt. can you write code for me to create online tool on my website? The tool is income and expenditure calculator. It will have a place to input the number and a place to out the result. Make it look bold, colorful with good font. Put all the codes together as one. So right now what you are going to do is that if you want to launch different tool, you can just make sure that you change this part of the prompt that is saying that online calculator, right? So you can see this part that is saying the tool is online calculator. So for example, your tool can be budget tool, your tool can be image compressor tool, your tool can be image to video tool, any tool at all. So right now let's go ahead and put this prompt into ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to write the code for us right now, and then we are going to integrate this code into our WordPress dashboard, and then we are going to launch our online tool right here. One best thing about online tool is that you can just monetize them very easily with Google AdSense or any ad network, and it gets a lot of traffic. So make sure you stay tuned over here, and in case you didn't click that like button yet, make sure you do it right now as we continue with the tutorial. So ChatGPT is writing our code for us, and let's wait for it. So right now our code is being written very nicely here. So what we are going to do is create a page on our WordPress dashboard for the launching of the tool. So let's go back to the dashboard of our WordPress. So right now I'm back here home. So let me just cut these things. I want the environment to be clean. So let me just remove this. And then let me just make sure that I remove these ones too. Alright, so right now we are going to launch our tool right here. So for us to integrate our tool, what we need to do is to come to pages. So let's come to pages and click all pages right here. These are the pages that are being created at default on your WordPress dashboard. So first, let's make sure we remove these pages, and then we're going to add our own page. So right now let's just take here and then bulk action, and then move to trash, and then we're going to click here apply, and then all the pages will be gone. Now let's create our page right here. So to create a page, just come over here and click add new, and then we are going to give a name to our tool. So right now let's go to ChatGPT again, and then we are going to tell ChatGPT to suggest a name and description for the tool. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT suggest titles and meta description for the tool. So ChatGPT is going to give me different titles and meta descriptions. So right now you can see different titles and meta descriptions. So I'm gonna copy this first title right here, and then I'll come back to my WordPress dashboard, and then I'm gonna paste this as add new page where the title column is, right? And then you come to this side over here to container layout. Make sure you click on it, put it at full width, and then come to sidebar, click here no sidebar, and then come down here, disable title, disable breadcrumb, disable featured image, and then over here you're gonna click publish. So right now let's edit this page with Elementor. This is the important part, so have a look at this. So just click here edit with Elementor. So right now our Elementor is being opened, and this is where we are going to build our page right here with drag and drop. So everything you see over here is just drag and drop features, but we are not going to use this side. We are only going to use this particular tool over here. So just click this red thing that you see over here. This is your Elementor Kit add-on, so click on it, and then it's gonna open like this for you. And what you need to do right here is to come over here that is saying categories, and then you can come to this side over here that you will see call to action. So make sure you click call to action. We just need some cool sections to use for our page to look very nice. So there are a lot of sections that are being displayed right here. So I just want this one, so just click this. you can select any other one that you like, right? So just click the top here to insert it. So right now you can see it has been installed right now on our Elementor, and we have to do some few customization over here. Now everything you want to change over here is just drag and drop. Make sure you click on whatever thing that you want to change, and you can come to the left hand side over here to change it, right? For example, if I want to change this text over here, I can just click on it, and when I come to the left hand side here, this is the text. Let me write anything for you to see. It will be changing right there. So that is telling you that everything that you want to change, you can just click on it and come to the left hand side here and change it. So let's just do that. Now I want to put a title right here, so I will go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to copy one of the titles and description of the tool right here. So let me just copy this one again, and then I'll come back here and I'm going to paste it at this side, and then it will simply display over here. You can also go ahead to style, and then you can come to titles, and then you come to this side that is saying typography. This is where you are going to change color and the rest, change color, the font, and anything that you want to change. In this case I don't want to change anything, so let's just move on. So what we see over here is title description, this text right here. So let me click on it and I'm going to edit this text. So to edit it, it's also here at title description. You are seeing it right here, so just click title description, and then right here you can see the text is showing, that is add beautiful boxes with titles, whatever. So I'm going to change this right now. For me to change this, I'll just highlight it and delete it and put any other thing there. So let me go back to ChatGPT and copy this meta description over here, and then we are coming to paste it right here. So it has written something cool about the tool. You can see income and expenditure calculator, manage your finances effectively. Our online income and expenditure calculator helps you quickly determine your financial standing. Find out if you are running at a surplus or deficit. So this is just a cool meta description right here. So anything that you do that you like it, just come over here and click update, and it's gonna save this for you. Even if your machine go off, you can come back and then edit it again. So right now let's go ahead and change this also. So let's just click on it, and then it's gonna display the title here. You can see this heading. So this particular heading, I can go to ChatGPT again and copy the second heading there. I just want to add this heading so that it will make the page look more beautiful as well as more sensible, right? So let me just paste this over there. So you can see free online budgeting tool right here, and then create your own. This thing that we see over here, I don't want it to be here, so it's a subtitle. So I'll just come over here to where it says subtitle, click on it, and then you're gonna come over here to show subtitle over here. Make sure you click here, and then it's gonna turn it off. So it's now off. And this particular purchase now, this thing also over here, we don't need it, so just click on it, and then you're gonna click right, and then to show delete here, so delete it. So right now let's update, and everything is now tight. Now we can go ahead and change this image over here. Now let's go ahead and get some nice image to change this one. So I'll go to puzzles, and then I'm going to download any calculator image right there. So go to your browser and type puzzles. Puzzles.com is where you can get free images, right? So over here I'll just put something like calculator. I just need a calculator image, right? So you can see it has displayed a lot of calculator images right here for me. Okay, so let me just choose this one, and then I'm going to download it right now. So let me just download this one, right? So let me click right and then save as, or you can just drag and drop on your computer. So let me just download this one. It should be under download. So right there is being downloaded, and let's go back, and then let's go back to our Elementor, and then we are going to put it right here. So let's click here. So when you click on the image, it's going to edit it at the left hand side here. You can see this is the particular image that we want to change, right? So to change this image, just click here, choose image, and then we are going to drag and drop the image that we just downloaded. So this is it here. Let me just drag and drop it here, and then just select it. So it's now cool. You can see the image has come to this side. Anytime you want to view the full page, you can just go ahead and click this arrow here, and then the full page will be viewed. You can see everything is very nice here. So now we can launch the tool at the bottom here or the down of this page for everything to look very nice, right? So let's bring this back, and now let's go and copy our code from ChatGPT and come and paste here for our online tool to be ready. So let's go to ChatGPT. So remember, our code is over here for us. So it's time to copy the code and go and paste. So let's copy the code here. Just click the top here and copy. And then let's come back to our WordPress dashboard here, our Elementor. And then this time we are going to search HTML. So just come over here and then to the search bar here, then you are going to search HTML, and it will show this particular tool over here for you. You can see HTML here. So this is where we are going to launch it. So we are going to drag and drop it right here, and right now you can see it's displaying here, and it's also displaying the column for us to paste our tool. As soon as I paste the code over here, the tool is going to be shown right here for you. So let's paste the code and see. So just paste. Now everything is being set very nicely. So let's go back to our WordPress website and refresh it and see in case the tool will be launched here. You can see nothing is still appearing over here. So I'm going to show you how you can make your tool to be live right here. So to make your tool to show over here, let's go back, and then let's now go back to our WordPress dashboard. So now as you come back to your WordPress dashboard, this is what you are going to do. We are now going to create a menu right here. Let's hover our mouse on appearance, and then we click menus. So right here it's gonna show like this for us. Come over here and name your menu anything. You can name it main menu or top menu. So over here I'm going to name it as top menu, and then it's the primary menu. So come over here, primary menu, and take it. Come down here and click create menu. So right now our menu is being created. So let's now add our page to the menu. So the page is over here. You can see income and expenditure calculator. Just click over here to select it, and then come here, add to menu. So right here you can see our page is being added to the menu. So come over here and save it. So after you save it, what you need to do is to go to customize. Come over here and click on customize. So it's gonna open like this for you. Now before I show you the next move, if you want me to design your website for you very nicely, any website at all, if it is your blog or your e-commerce website or your online tool website, just go to the description over there and hit that link and get in touch with me, and it's going to be a very nice website for you over there. Now as you come over here, just scroll down to where it's saying home page setting, click on it, and then come to this place and pick a static page. Just click on that, and it's gonna come over here, home page and post page. Just come over here and click select, and then you're gonna put the home page now on income and expenditure calculator. So as you do that, it's going to appear over here automatically, and then so it will be on your WordPress website. So let's just click at the top here to publish it. It's very important. Click here to publish it. So right now your website is ready. Let's go back to our WordPress website. This is how it was looking. Let's refresh now and see how it's looking. Very nicely as the tool is at the bottom right here. So everything is very nice here. You can see income and expenditure calculator, manage your finances effectively, free online budgeting tool. The picture is here, and then our tool is right here, income and expenditure calculator. Now let's test our tool and see if everything is accurate. So I'm just going to put some numbers over here. For example, let me put 100 at the income side, so that is our income, and the expenditure is 50. So let's say we spend $50 from our income, which was $100. Now look at the result that is here, $50. It tells you that the calculator is very accurate. Okay, so this is your online tool, and you can put this online tool on Google and start making money right here online. Very easily online tool that you have created. Any number that you enter over here is going to give you the results. Okay, so you can enter any number at all. You can see it's gonna give you the results here. This is an online calculator that you have launched right here. This is very nice for you. All right, in case you like my tutorial, make sure you hit that like button for me and the subscribe button for me at the same time, and go to the comment section over there. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. I want this channel to hit 10k this year, so make sure you be part of it by subscribing to this channel and also sharing our videos. All right, see you in the next tutorial.